Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to be back today.
It really is. How are you today, David?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a nice walk this morning and a big cup of coffee. How about you?
I'm good, too. Excited for our topic today.
Me too. What are we talking about, Emily?
Today's topic is daily English conversation practice, how to use English every day in simple, real-life situations.
Ah, a fantastic topic. That's something every learner needs.
Yes, but before we start, we have a small request.
Right. If you enjoy this podcast and learn something new with us, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English channel. It really helps us grow.
And share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
Thank you, everyone. You are the best.
All right, let's begin. The first situation is at a coffee shop.
Perfect. Everyone loves coffee or tea.
Okay, I'll be the customer and you'll work at the coffee shop.
Got it. Ready when you are.
Hello,
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
can I have one iced coffee, please?
Of course. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Would you like milk or sugar with that?
No, thank you. Just black.
Okay. Anything to eat? Maybe a muffin or cookie?
Do you have banana bread?
Let me check. Sorry, not today.
Oh, that's okay. I'll take a cookie then.
Perfect. One medium black iced coffee and one cookie. That's $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
That was great. Very simple but natural.
Exactly. Learners can practice phrases like, can I have, do you have, here you are, and have a nice day.
Yes, politeness is always important.
Next, let's go shopping.
Okay, I'll be the customer this time.
And I'll work in the shop. Ready?
Ready?
Hello. Can I help you?
Hi. Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What color do you like?
I like blue.
Here's a nice blue one.
Ooh, that's beautiful. What size is it?
This one's a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is right over there.
Thanks. Okay, I tried it. It fits perfectly.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Will you pay with cash or card?
With card, please.
All done. Here's your shirt in a bag.
Thanks so much. Have a nice day.
You too.
That was fun.
Yes. And the key phrases are, can I help you? I'm looking for. Can I try it on? And I'll take it.
Next, let's talk about directions.
Good one. Very useful when you travel.
Let's say I'm lost.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Sure. Go straight, then turn left. The station is on the right.
Go straight, turn left, and it's on the right. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See, that's not so scary.
No, and people are usually happy to help if you're polite.
Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the weather.
Yes, it's the easiest way to start a conversation.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's so sunny and warm.
Or if it's bad weather, oh, it's so cold today.
I know. I need my big jacket.
Or I can't believe this rain.
I hope it stops soon.
Simple, friendly, and natural.
All right. One more. Making plans with a friend.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Emily. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday, yes. I'm free in the afternoon. Why?
Let's go to the park. The weather's great.
That sounds nice. What time?
How about 2 p.m.?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
At the big clock tower near the entrance.
Okay. See you then.
Great. Bye.
That's an easy conversation.
Yes. And if you're busy, just say, I'm sorry, I'm busy that day.
Exactly. Polite and simple.
So today, we practiced conversations about coffee, shopping, directions, weather, and making plans.
Yes. And all with short, easy, natural English.
Remember, the most important thing is to try.
Don't be afraid to speak. A simple hello and a smile can start a conversation.
Exactly. And before we go, please like, subscribe, and share this episode if it helped you.
And in the comments, tell us, where do you practice your English? At the coffee shop? With friends? Online? We'd love to read your answers.
That's all for today.
Thanks for listening to Miss English Podcast.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.